What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swag. And if y'all new to the channel, y'all already know what to do, man. Go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on for all push notifications. Since I got that out the way, alright, let's get into it. So pretty much this is the brand new update of Gamepad Viewer for those who was wondering how to do it on StreamLabs and OBS. Pretty much I'm gonna show it off of StreamLabs because StreamLabs and OBS is pretty much the same thing, but it's just, you know, two different softwares. So you basically just need these three things to be successful to go ahead and do it. You're gonna need a PC, game controller, and a USB charger. Alright y'all, so y'all see, the only thing y'all have to do is just go ahead and just type in gamepadviewer.com. So after this screen pops up, you need to make sure that your charger, your USB charger port is plugged into your controller and plugged into the PC. And the only thing you have to do is just go ahead and tap X. So basically we're currently viewing, you just want to go ahead and click that and click player 1 because that's basically your controller. Show y'all that the controller is active. Now next you want to go ahead and just hit that Xbox button, which will now show y'all all the controllers that y'all can equip. Whether you have PS4, PS3, Xbox, Xbox One, Xbox 360, GameCube, you know, as it's shown. Alright y'all, we're towards the end of the list. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and click my original, which is the PS4. I chose white because it's the best, because when you use the black one it's hard to see. So basically when you hit the little art pad, that's really basically the background that you can choose. Instead of having the one that was selected, I just decided to just go ahead and use black, because it will bring out the controller and it'll be kind of like, you know, more easier to see towards this point on the website. But now you just want to go ahead and make sure you hit that tab that's on the far left side and hit generate URL, and all you have to do is just make sure that you go through everything and make sure you choose player 1, whatever type of skin of your controller that you want, and hit that copy link, and then we'll just go ahead and switch over to our OBS or StreamLabs. Let's get it. So the main part is just go to sources and hit the plus, and this will pop up. After this you want to go ahead and hit browse sources and add sources, which will give you a bar that you can name the source if you want to, and I just named it Gamepad. So after this you just want to go ahead and wait till it pops up. And as you'll see, it says disconnected. Only thing you have to do is just tap X and your controller will be active. All you have to do next is just resize it, put it anywhere on your screen where you want to, and go crazy. So if y'all new to the channel and y'all like this and it helped y'all out a lot, man, please spam on the like button. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that sub button and turn on all post notifications. I hope this helped y'all out a lot. And tune in for my next upload, man. Let's get it.